Hi students, today we will be doing the story The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. It's a very beautiful story and it is taken from class 9's chapter 2nd from your book Moments. Before starting the story, I would like to ask you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel as I am new to YouTube, and also please mention your feedback on the comment section. Okay, so let us quickly discuss about the author. Ruskin Bond is born in the year 1934. He is an Indian writer of British descent. He lives with his family in Landor, Missouri, India. Okay, he is a poet and an author. He is Sahitya Akademi awardee, Padma Shri awardee and Padma Bhushan awardee. Okay, so let us quickly discuss the theme of the story. The story is based on the fact that how any pet lovers, whoever you see, any pet lovers, they always get attracted. They get attracted towards animals, but only after personal experiences they come to know that all animals cannot be tamed. So let us now start the summary of the story. The story begins with grandfather. Okay, grandfather is buying a Toto. The name Toto is here a little red monkey. Okay, he buys the monkey from the Tonga driver. Why did he buy? When grandfather finds that the Tonga driver is keeping the monkey tied to a feeding trough. Now, what is feeding trough? You can see in the picture here that trough is a kind of a container जिसमें पानी वगैरह दिया जाता है जानवरों को, मतलब बड़े जानवरों को दिया जाता है पानी पीने वीने के लिए. So here this small little monkey is tied to this and he feels very pity on that. So he finds that this is such a odd one, looking such a odd one. So he thinks that he will buy, and so he buys it for 5 rupees and now he adds it to his private zoo. Okay, zoo. So we come to know that he is a pet lover. So the features of Toto is described. What are the features of Toto? Toto is described as a pretty monkey. His eyes are bright, which always shone with naughtiness. He has a deep set eyebrows. His teeth are as white as pearls. It was so white that it can even frighten the elderly ones. His hands are described as dried, but his fingers are described as wicked and quick. Why wicked and quick? Because it again represents his mischievous nature, okay? That he is very naughty. So his fingers is described as quick and wicked. So it describes that how naughty he is. He had a long tail. Now this long tail he used as a third hand. Okay, whenever his hands could not reach to a certain point, his tail would do it for him. Though, as per grandfather, a tail is adding to its beauty. Now, Toto's presence in the house is kept secret from grandmother, and this is decided by the author and his grandfather that it is to be disclosed only when grandmother is in a good mood. Okay, why they are doing so? Because every time whenever grandfather brings any new animal home, grandmother gives annoying reaction. Okay, she becomes very she keeps on murmuring and all this. Okay, so the author and grandfather keeps Toto secretly in a small cupboard opening in author's bedroom and tied to a small pin on the wall. वॉल पे हम स्मॉल पेन वगैरह जो डालते हैं ना, उस पे बांध के रखते हैं इसको. उस पे बांध के रख देते हैं. When after a few hours they entered the room only to set Toto free, they found that already the pin is pulled out from the wall. Okay, उसने खुद ही पिन को निकाल दिया है. The wallpaper is torn making the wall look ugly and naked. Also, author's school blazer that was hanging there is also torn into pieces. उसे भी monkey ने फाड़ दिया. Author thinks that what will all this make grandmother say, but however, he sees that grandfather is not bothering about Toto's behavior. ठीक है? Rather, he is pleased and remarks him to be very clever. He even adds that if they were a little late, they came a few hours later, but if they were a little more late, then he would have successfully made a rope. Okay, रस्सी बना लेता वो जो blazer फाड़ा ना उससे. He would have made a rope out of the torn part of the school blazer and would have escaped from there. वहाँ से भाग जाता. Though after such a nuisance, Toto's presence in the house was kept a secret. And also, Toto was put in a large cage in the servants' quarter with other pets. Now we come to know what are the other pets that already grandfather has. The pets were a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a squirrel and a goat. But Toto did not let any animal sleep at night. Grandfather, who had work of collecting pension, he had some urgent work of collecting pension in Saharanpur, and thus he had to leave Dehradun the very next day. So he decides to take Toto along with him. Otherwise, he will disturb everyone. So he decides to take Toto along with him. Grandfather knew that taking Toto along is a difficult task, so he chose a big black canvas bag and with some saw put in it. So why did he put saw in it? So that Toto remains comfortable. Also, the bag was strong enough for the little animal to bite and tear. Okay, so he cannot come out. Also, he could not even take out his hands out of the bag. Only a little face he can take out, not his hands also out of the bag. The only thing he could do is only roll on the floor and jump occasionally into the air. This movement even attracted the curious people on the Dehradun railway platform. Okay. Toto remained inside the bag all the way to Saharanpur, but only at the turnstile. Turnstile is a mechanical kind of gate. आप लोग metro station वगैरह में देखते होंगे. Okay, जिसमें आप exit करते हो ticket दिखा के. So when he was producing his ticket to the ticket collector, see, Toto is poking his face out. He poked his head out and passed a smile to the ticket collector from behind. Though the ticket collector was initially frightened by this sudden activity of Toto, but then asked grandfather to pay for the animal, and he has classified this Toto in the dogs category. However, grandfather brought Toto out of his bag to show him that how tiny he is, and he is not a dog, but however, ticket collector categorized it as a dog and charged ₹3 as his fare. Okay, ₹3 charge किया उनको. Just with a revengeful mind, grandfather took out the tiny tortoise from his pocket, asking that how much he should pay for this tortoise. Because he is charging for all the animals, so that is the reason that grandfather asked him. However, for the ticket collector, it was a win-like situation by collecting fare for the monkey and did not charge for the tortoise, saying that no charge needs to be paid since it is not a dog. Now, what happens? Grandmother accepts Toto and they made their comfortable stay in this stable where a donkey named Nana used to stay. Okay, so he was given a companion called Nana, who was a donkey. Now grandfather went to check of his well-being, of Toto's well-being on his first night. However, to his surprise, he found that the donkey is pulling Toto's halter. जो गले में स्ट्रैप बांधा होता है उसको halter बोलते हैं हम. Toto's halter to keep his head away from the bundle of hay. जो वहाँ पे bundle of hay पड़ा हुआ था उससे दूर खींच रहा था उसे. Now at this, grandfather slaps Nana at the back, and Toto is seen to tightly hold Nana's ear with his sharp teeth, which only hurts Nana. Nana and Toto, however, never turns out to be friends. कभी दोस्ती नहीं होती उन दोनों के बीच. Now, one incident is stated. During the cold winter evenings, Toto was given a large bowl of warm water for his bath by grandmother. Very cleverly, what he used to do, first he used to test the temperature of the water, okay, by putting one leg, and then he used to take bath. Then he used to go inside the water, okay, to take bath, and using soap and everything. And when the water used to turn cold, he used to rush to the kitchen fire to dry himself out. और अगर ऐसे करते हुए किसी ने उसे देख लिया तो वो दोबारा नहाता नहीं था, ओके, नहाने से मना कर देता था. So because so that no one could make fun of him. One of the few funny incidents of Toto is that once how grandmother has saved him from boiling himself. Okay, one day when he found a large kettle put on fire, it was put on fire to prepare tea. Okay, now finding the outer temperature colder, what he did, he removed the lid of the kettle and he sat inside. Now when the water started to boil, he raised himself out. Again then he moved inside, and this is how he was hopping up and down. Okay, so grandmother came and she found that such naughty action by this small animal. So what he does, he pulls him out half boiled. Okay, this is one of the very funny incidents that is discussed in your story. Now the monkey was so mischievous that the author describes that if any part of the brain is devoted to mischief, then this part is largely developed. Okay, he used to put all effort to make whole in the dresses of all the aunts of author whosoever comes near him. कोई उसके करीब आती थी, कोई भी आंट उसके कपड़े में वो छेद कर देता था. Now one more incident of his mischief is described in the story, that how one day at lunchtime, Toto was filling his plate with pulao. Okay, pulao was made for lunch, and when grandmother came and screamed at him, he threw a plate at her. And when one of the author's aunt rushed to intervene, Toto threw a glass of water on her face. Okay, only when grandfather arrived, Toto made an exit, and with the plate he climbed up the jackfruit tree. So sitting on the tree, he finished every grain taken by him and then threw the plate onto the ground, making it break into pieces. Okay, and he was feeling very happy to do all this. After this act, grandfather realized that Toto is not tameable. Okay, grandfather tried a lot, but he realized finally that Toto is not tameable and cannot keep him long. Even he thought that they were not that well off, उतने पैसे वाले भी नहीं हैं, that they can bear the huge loss made by Toto very often. कभी glass तोड़ देना, कभी dishes तोड़ देना. Okay, and finally he sold it back to the Tonga driver for 3 rupees. So this is the entire summary of the story. Please let me know in the comment box that how you liked it. Thank you so much.